Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be an interesting one because I'm letting my family pick my makeup. So I've messaged them all individually asking them to pick. I've sent them like a picture of some of my makeup products and I've basically just asked them to pick one each. None of them know what each other have picked, so it's going to be interesting to see if any of it matches what they've picked. I've put some bad ones in there as well, not bad but ones that I'm not a fan of as well, so that it can't all just be good, so it'd be a bit of a task for me. So if you want to see how this turns out and what my family have picked for me, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. First we'll start with primer, and I asked my auntie what primer I should use. Bear in mind, none of my family really know anything about makeup apart from my little sister who's just started in makeup, so they had no idea probably what most of these products were. So I asked my auntie for a primer and she picked this one by NYX. This is a good choice because this is one of my favourites. This is a colour corrector, and because it's green, it covers like my redness, which I need. So I don't put too much of this on. I'll just put like a little scrap on each cheek basically. Then whatever's remaining will go across around my face. So I'll just rub that in. So let me know what other videos you want me to do of people picking my makeup, because I've done YouTuber Picks My Makeup, which was with my friend who has a YouTube channel as well, and we picked each other's makeup for each other's videos. And I'm going to do one with my boyfriend. Now that's all rubbed in, we're going to move on to foundation. So I let my nan pick my foundation, and I think I gave her like 4 options, but she picked the best one. So this is going well. This is the TIK Cosmetics CC foundation, and this is my favourite foundation that I own, so I'm really happy that she picked this for me. I did have fake tan on, but it's kind of going now, so I'm using the shade Light for this. And this one is such high coverage that you don't really need much more than like 2 pumps. So how is everybody feeling about lockdown now? I mean, I know a lot of people are going back to work and everything. I personally am going back to work from next week, which will be, this video might not be up by then. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but that it's the 3rd of August I'm going back, but I'm only going to be going back part-time. I'll still be getting paid full-time, but I'm only going to be going back on a Monday and half day on Tuesday, which is good. So at least, you know, I'm slowly getting back into my routine, especially with my anxiety and everything. It's very hard for me to go from not working at all, and I'm sure it's the same with a lot of other people as well, from not working at all to going back to working full-time. That would be a massive struggle for me and my anxiety, so I'm glad I'm able to go back, you know, just part-time first and slowly get myself into it, which will be good for me mentally as well. So I'm glad that's happening, and I'm still going to be working from home, which is kind of a shame because I do want to go back into the office if I'm going to be working, just because, you know, it gets me back into my routine. I'm out of the house a little bit and I'm slowly getting used to it again, but it's okay working from home. My boyfriend's going back to work next week as well, so I'll just be chilling on my own really, drinking cup of teas all day and being a loser, so. Right, so now that's all blended and my skin is looking nice. It seems like I'm having a bit of a good moment with my skin at the moment because I'm not having any spots. It's kind of very like, my foundation's just going on really nice. I'm going to go on to concealer, and for concealer my granddad picked, and that will be, what one is it? This one, which again is one of my favourites. This is the NYX HD concealer. I'm using shade CW02, and I'm just going to pop that under my eyes. I try not to put on too much concealer or anything anymore. I try and just, you know, cut down on the makeup just a little bit. Before lockdown, I would not go out without makeup on. Like, you would never ever see me outside. Even if I nipped to the shop, I would have like a full face of makeup on. But now, you know, I have not worn makeup. I never really wear makeup. Some days I feel like if I'm feeling a bit rubbish, I've put on a lot of weight basically in lockdown as well, a lot. Which is fine because next on payday, it's Thursday today, so tomorrow I get paid and me and my boyfriend are going on a strict, like, we're going to try and be vegan. Not fully because we love chicken, we love eggs, so it's going to be very hard, but we're going to do like an intense diet, I think, have a bit of a refresh, because lately it's been his birthday, so we've had a lot of takeaways and we've just got a bit mental, so I think we're just going to have a bit of a break, basically. Right, so next is powder, and my little sister Nell, who you may already know because she's been on my channel a lot, she picked the powder, and she picked the RCMA translucent powder, which again is one of my favourites, so this is going really well, but trust me, it goes downhill fast. The two people that's really stitched me up is probably my boyfriend, my brother and my dad, which is typical, all the men really. So I'm just grabbing this giant fluffy brush and just popping that powder all over my face. So for bronzer, my uncle picked, and he picked the Iconic Bronze, which is one of my favourites. Honestly, it seems like they've all just picked my favourites and they don't even know. And no, I didn't just put my favourites in the pictures that I sent them, I honestly did put some bad ones. It just seems that at the moment they haven't picked them, but trust me, wait until my dad and my brother and that come up. I don't think they purposely picked bad ones, maybe they did, but I just don't think they know what they're doing at all, so they're just, you'll see. So now that we've bronzed, it's all looking fine still. We've got blush, which is from Nell, my sister again, and she picked the IT Cosmetics blush again. I love this blush. But this is good because it's gonna all, the skincare is gonna look lovely, but the rest is gonna look wrong. So let's pop on some of this blush. I love this blush because it's kind of like naturally pink, and again you can like build this up to how intense you want it. I really like my blush at the moment. I used to just do it on the apples of my cheeks, but now I kind of start at the apples of my cheeks and I slowly just bring it up with my bronzer, just for that like kind of snatched look, a bit more colour on your face as well. And for highlight, this is where it all just goes downhill. Okay, so highlight is my mum, and she picked the Jeffree Star one. Now, I don't know the reasons for what anybody's picked, but this, I don't know if she was trying to get me on purpose or if she generally thought that was a good one because it's Jeffree Star and she knows I love Jeffree Star. But this one is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and this is in the shade Chill Zone, which is the problem because this one I got gifted from a friend who is no longer my friend. But she bought me this for my birthday one year, and I was so excited because it's the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost drops that I really wanted, but it's definitely not my shade. So, you know, it's a brown highlighter, it's dark brown, so this on my face is just going to look like a streak, but we're going to try, oh my Jesus, we're going to give it a go and see what happens. Because I don't think I've properly gave this one a chance, just because I know it's not my shade, but we're going to try it. So I'm just going to use this normal like highlighter brush that I use, and I'm just going to put a tiniest bit on, so maybe we can make it look nice. I mean, that's not that bad. It's okay, it's okay. I thought it was going to be like a dark streak, but it's not. If you just put a little bit on, it's like really glittery, which is nice. I love like a glittery highlight. I love glitter. So I'm basically like patting the product, then rubbing it on my hand before rubbing it on my face so it's not too intense. But if you've got like, yeah, that's where it started to go a bit rough. I don't know how this is really looking, to be honest. I can't figure it out if I like it or not. Ooh, see, there is not good because that's just come up with pure colour. So I'm going to just rub the rest of the product off and then... So let's move straight on to brows. Now my brother picked brows and he picked the Their Brow by We Makeup. Now this is the problem, I love We Makeup, all their products are amazing, I'm not a fan of this one, and it's because I don't think I know how to use it. So basically it's a brow pomade, and if you look, it's not got any bristles at all, it's just a flat applicator. So when you put it on your brows, it just does not, you know, it puts a lot of product on them, but that's it, it doesn't blend in or anything, so you need a spoolie. So I'm going to grab one of them in a minute. I've tried this product so many times, but so basically you've got to put it on your brow hair. And it's looking like this. I don't know if you can see. Can you see how it's just clumpy basically, clumpy product on your eyebrow. So now I'm just going to work. No. See, the problem is, you see how dark that is now? It looks awful. Because I'm trying to brush the pomade into my hairs, but unfortunately the product is going straight onto my skin, so it's just making a big brown like situation. Oh, oh, I had this problem last time. Look at it. Tell you what, I'm not going to try and sort it out because look what I've done now. I've made it even worse. And you know what? It's going to look bad. Let's move on. Pretend you can't see my eyebrows. Close your eyes. Next is eyes. Now, my Nana, she picked my eyes and she told me specific colours to use from 3 different palettes. So the palettes that she picked, 2 of them I have not used yet, so that's good. So she picked this Ditto Cosmetics Brick Fun, she picked this Girl Powder by We Makeup, and she picked Double Trouble Cosmetics, which I have not used these 2 yet. So she said to use this teal colour from this palette, which I love. So this could work well. And then she said this purple shimmer from this palette, 2 shimmers is going to be a bit of a clash. Hopefully we've got a matte shade in the other one. So this shimmer silver here. So something my family would not know is that you would kind of need, if you're doing a shimmer look, it's better to have like a matte shade on your crease and that just to start it off, else so many shimmers is going to just look odd. They don't really, it's hard to make a shimmer look with just shimmer shades. We're gonna give it a go. We'll give it a go. So we're gonna do the purple shimmer on the outside. And so we've got that one, and then we're gonna pop on the blue shimmer next. And I think I'm gonna pop in the white in the inner corner. Yes. See, this one from the Ditto Cosmetics palette. This is more of a chunky glitter, so this is more of a chunky shimmer. Let's pop these 2. I'm popping some more purple on top of that blue just to blend them in together. But I actually think, if I give you a closer look, I think that actually doesn't look too bad. We're just gonna pop on the silver that she said to use and pop that on the inner corner here to join it all up together. So here's the finished look for this one. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera, then I'll be back to do the lashes, which my brother picked, so watch out. Awful. So now both eyes are done. I think this was actually a very good selection from my Nan because they actually look really nice together, and I'm really impressed with this makeup look because I really like the eye makeup. I think they look so pretty together. Even though the pebbles are shimmer, it's good that it's not an intense shimmer, so it actually looks quite nice together. But my brother's going to completely ruin it with the eyelashes now because he's picked the worst ones that were in the thing, and I think he knew that. He's picked these ones, and they're in the shade Isabella, and they are huge. Like, I would not wear these ever. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. I mean, it's going to ruin this eye look, which I'm actually quite upset about because I really like these eyes now. I might do these eyes again because I really like it. I've just thought my boyfriend has picked like arty makeup, and I've just remembered he picked, so I said to my boyfriend, you can pick 2 things from the arty drawers, so like creative makeup looks, which is like glitters, temporary tattoos, gems, stuff like that. And I've just remembered what he's picked. He's picked this pink glitter, and he's picked, you won't believe this one then, and he's picked bananas. I forgot about, I forgot, oh. Well, I tell you what, I won't do these on my eyes. I'm going to do the bananas like here, and I'm going to do some pink glitter around it. I mean, they don't look too bad. They're not bad lashes, they're just so long. It's just mental how long they are. Look at that. But for a drag look or something like that, these would look nice. They're just, I mean, they're not for an everyday look, are they? And even for an intense makeup look, I'm not sure I would use these because they're like almost too intense, but it's fine. We're going to make it work. I don't know if we're going to make it work with the bloody bananas and the pink glitter, but we'll see. So basically what you do is you cut out the banana. I mean, I'm pretty sure you all know it's basically just like a kid's tattoo, you know. You cut out the banana, pop it where you want it to go. Where should we put it? Should I put it here and then pop some glitter around it? Yeah, why not? It's there now. So we just pop it down and then you basically just put some water on something. I'm just going to put on a makeup wipe, who cares? Who cares? I cannot be bothered to move. And then we'll pop on some of this pink glitter like around it, maybe around my eyes as well. I don't know, because like I said, we've got a lot of shimmer going on already. So I mean, some more glitter is, well, why not? Some bananas, can you see it? It's a bit shiny at the minute because it's still a little bit wet. So we'll just pop on a bit of glue. Where should we put the glitter? I need to work that out. So I'll put some glitter around it. I think that's all the glitter I'm going to use, to be honest. We don't need to go mental, do we? But I will know now. No, I don't. Can you see all the glitter? The pink glitter around? I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up, but there's a hell of a lot of glitter there. I mean, it looks actually quite pretty. It kind of looks like highlight a little bit. Oh, so we've just got lips and setting spray left to go. Lips is going to completely ruin this look. I can tell you that 100% now. It's not going to look pretty because my dad picked my lips and I showed him a drawer of all my lipsticks. So he was the only one really out of everybody who got to see everything. And he got to pick out of all the lipsticks I own, and he picked this one. Can you see this? So this is in the shade Virginity, and this is from Jeffree Star. It is just, I don't know why I bought it in the beginning, but I bought it like maybe a year ago. Do you see what I'm saying? It's like a lavender. The only time I would ever wear this is for a very creative makeup look or eyeliner. Ah, look how yellow my teeth look, ew. And the last thing is setting spray. So my mum picked this one as well, and this is from Candy. This is a nice setting spray, and if you look, it's got all these like, it's like a shimmery spray. And it should look glowing. This has been a fun video anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks to my family for picking my makeup. None of you had to do it. It was nice for you all to take part, and it's fun to get other people involved in YouTube videos. Just a bit of fun, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for notifications for when I get new videos in the future. And I shall see you all in my next one.